Oh, you think your hamster died in a crazy way? Wait till you hear about how mine died. I was playing with my hamster in the living room one day, and the fireplace happened to be on. And also, I have a dog, and this dog gets super jealous whenever I'm holding the hamster. So he's just staring at it. And my hamster loves to bite people, like it's how he shows affection, I think. So he bit me really hard, and I accidentally dropped him for like only 1 second. But in that second, this poor hamster was on the floor, and my dog saw him, so he started chasing after him, and the hamster ran into the fireplace. The poor little guy started screaming, and he was only in there for like a second because I grabbed him out right when I saw what happened, but it was too late. He already passed away. And then when I got him out of the fireplace, I let him cool down on the floor for a second because he was too hot to touch, and my dog started licking him. It's not funny. It's not funny.